Hello everyone, this is Tanveer from India. In this video, we will learn how you can create QR code for free and how you can use the QR code. So let us start with that. So first of all, you can share any document with QR code that is saved at any link. Suppose you have saved any document at Google Drive or OneDrive, then you can get that link and linked it with QR code, and you can add that QR code in any of your document, or you can save or share in social media applications. Second thing is e-certification verification. Suppose you have thousands of e-certificates which you are going to issue to your participants or students, then you can keep a list of participants in Google Drive, and for the verification you can connect a QR code with that link so that anyone can verify the e-certificate through that QR code. And also you can post QR codes on notice boards instead of links. Suppose you are working in a school or college and you wish to publish some important links on the notice board. So instead of putting the links on the notice board, you can post the QR code so that anyone can scan and get access to that link. And the fourth one is making access to any web link easier. It is always good to post the QR codes instead of sending the link in the WhatsApp or Facebook or any other social media app. You can directly post QR code with your participants. And the last one is scan and watch the videos. Instead of sending the videos, or instead of, and if you're working on notice board, so how you will post the video? So simply you can attach QR code to the notice board and anyone can scan with the scanner and can watch the videos, can retrieve the link where the video is present. So these are few examples. So here you can see that I have used a QR code to ask my participants to register. I haven't gave any link. They can directly scan this QR code and can register to that link which I have connected with this QR code. So this is how you can use QR code to verify e-certificates. And similarly here it is written that scan here to watch the videos. So you can use your scanner to watch the videos and scan here to visit our website. So instead of giving any link to the website, you can give the QR code to your participants so that they can scan and go to your website. So let us see how you can download or how you can create the QR code. So simply you have to write generate QR code in the Google, and simply you can go to the first website. It is the simplest website to create a QR codes. So here there are 5 options. You can create a QR code using free text, or you can put URL. So let us suppose I have one website that is greenthinkers.org. We can copy this and we can paste here. So this is your QR code. You can click on the save button and you can give the file name as Green Thinkers. So this is how there are 3 formats: PNG, SVG and EPS. I would like to save my image in PNG. So here goes. So your downloading will start, and this is your QR code. You can post in any document or any, you can share this QR code in the social media applications like WhatsApp or Facebook so that people can scan this QR code to reach greenthinkers.org. So similarly, if you have any website or any registration link, you can put the URL here and you can download your static QR code immediately. So similarly, if you want to save a contact or phone or any SMS, instead of saving that, you can save the QR code. QR code will link with that information which you have stored in that. So this is all about how you can use the QR code and how you can get the QR code. So thank you. Happy learning.